Hello, guys! Welcome back to English with Luna. I'm really happy that you're here today. Thank you for spending this time with me. So, today, we're going to practice English together in a very simple and relaxing way. Just listen to my voice, and when you feel ready, you can repeat after me. You don't have to be perfect. Just breathe, relax, and enjoy the moment. All right, let's start. Today, I want to talk about something small and simple, our daily life, our normal day. Sometimes we think our day is boring, but it's not. Every small thing we do is a part of our life, and it's a good way to learn English. So now, I'm going to talk slowly about a normal day, and you can follow my voice. If you want, repeat after me. If you just want to listen first, that's totally okay. I wake up in the morning. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. I feel a little sleepy, but I'm ready to start another day. I sit on my bed for a moment and stretch my arms. Then I stand up and walk to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. It feels good. Sometimes I make a cup of tea, and sometimes I make coffee. Today, I think I want some tea. After that, I go to the bathroom and wash my face. The water is cold, but it helps me wake up. I look in the mirror and smile a little. It's a new day, a fresh start. Then I choose my clothes. I don't like to think too much in the morning, so I pick something simple and comfortable. When I'm ready, I leave my room and start my day. Maybe I go to work, or maybe I study, or maybe I just go for a walk. Every day is different, and that's okay. During the day, I try to stay calm. Sometimes things are easy. Sometimes things are difficult, but I tell myself, it's okay. I can handle this. I can do it little by little. I don't need to rush. I just need to keep going. When I walk outside, I like to look at the sky. Sometimes it's blue. Sometimes it's cloudy. Sometimes the sun is warm, and sometimes the wind is cold. But the world is always moving, and so am I. I see people walking. I see cars passing. I hear noises, but I also hear quiet moments, and I try to enjoy those moments. Sometimes I stop for a moment and think about my life. Not in a heavy way, just in a simple, peaceful way. I ask myself, am I doing my best? Am I taking care of myself? Am I being kind? And even if the answer is not perfect, I tell myself, it's okay. I'm learning. I'm growing. Every day I'm growing a little more. When the day starts to end, I feel a little tired, but it's a good kind of tired. It means I lived today. I did things. I tried. I go back home and take off my shoes. That feels amazing. I wash my hands, I sit down, and I breathe. I like this moment, the quiet moment after a long day. Maybe I cook something simple. Maybe I eat something small. Sometimes I just drink tea and relax. I read a book, watch a video, or listen to music. Nothing complicated, just something that makes me feel calm. Before going to sleep, I think about the day again. Not to judge it, just to remember it. I think about the good things. I think about the small wins. Maybe I learned something new. Maybe I helped someone. Maybe I took one small step forward. And that's enough. That's more than enough. All right, my friends, thank you for staying with me today. I hope this little moment helped you relax, learn, and practice your English. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. You're doing great, even if you don't see it yet. And I'm really proud of you for being here. So, take care of yourself, drink some water, rest well, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye, and have a beautiful day or night. This was English with Luna. See you next time.